Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your external bank account to your Etrade account. So let's go ahead and get logged in here. All right, so this is the home page. First thing you're going to want to do is go to transfers and then simply click on transfer money. Transfer from, click your bank account, or you can click your Etrade account if you want to deposit money into your external account. But today we are going to bring money from our external bank account into our investing account on Etrade. So select your external bank account, and then you can select which account you want it to go in right there. Just transfer to, pretty simple. And then you just type in the amount. When, you can pick a day if you want it later on. I'm just gonna do now. Frequency once. So if you're a high roller, you can change the frequency to make a deposit for your Etrade account right there every week, every 2 weeks, every month. So then it's just automatic. So you have more cash to invest with. But I'm just gonna do once, and then you're gonna click preview transfer. And right there, you can look over it again, and then simply click confirm, request submitted, and that money should be right there. It says available for investment immediately. So if it's during the day when you can trade, you're able to start investing that. It's actually, they give you a line of credit because the wire hasn't gone through yet. So there's some rules to that if you invest right away before that money's into your Etrade account. But for the sake of this video, that is how you transfer money from your external bank account into your Etrade account so you can invest. I'm gonna go to portfolio and see if that went through. Here I am on joint. Cash purchase, so it has not gone through yet. All right, it is the next business day. I selected to transfer that money yesterday, so here we are. Go ahead and log in. I changed my mouse cursor to green so it would be easier for you guys to see it. I don't know, maybe I'll start doing that later on. But anyway, it's the next day. I just transferred money. So you're gonna log in here. And then once you get logged in here, you're gonna wanna click on your alerts, funds transfer confirmation. You should get a notification from that since you transferred money. Right there, there's my notification. I transferred $1,000 to, my checkings account, from my checkings to my Etrade account. So I'm gonna go back to alerts. There's all my alerts. Click on that. There it is. I'm gonna go to my portfolio and make sure that money went through to my brokerage account. And there it is. As you can see, there's only $700 available for withdrawal. Here it says cash purchasing power 1,700. So that is the total because I transferred 1,000 yesterday, but available to withdrawal is only $700. The reason for that is because the money is still being transferred over to your account. So if you're going to withdraw, there's actually only still $700 in my Etrade account here. And the $1,000 is still being transferred from my bank account to my Etrade brokerage account. So if I wanted to withdraw money from here back to my banking account, I'm only gonna have $700 right now to do that. But Etrade does a really cool thing where since I transferred $1,000, Etrade hasn't received it yet, but they expect that money to come in. So they're gonna let me invest basically on credit. They're gonna give me $1,700 to invest in. That's cash purchasing power right there. So I'll be able to invest up to $1,700 today. So that's where you're gonna go and see and make sure that your money has transferred. It's gonna be totaled up into cash purchasing power. And then once it's been 2 or 3 business days, maybe 4 business days, the available to withdraw is going to turn into 1,700 as long as you don't invest it. So there you go. That's it, guys. I hope this made it clear to you how to transfer money from your external bank account to your E-Trade account. If you want to transfer money from your E-Trade account to your banking account, it's the same process, same steps. You just select transfer from and transfer to. You select the opposite. So hope that helped you guys. I'm going to keep making videos. If you guys have any questions about how to do something, how to see something on E-Trade, comment in the comment section. Let me know. I'll try and make a video for you. Other than that, hope this made your E-Trade experience better.